In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto via a Kucoin Fiat account on the web. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, this simple guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely, all within a matter of minutes. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Kucoin's official website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to ensure you're using Kucoin's legitimate site for all transactions to ensure the security of your information and funds. After you're on the Kucoin homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. A quick tip: make sure your password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. If you happen to have two-factor authentication set up, follow the additional prompts for added security. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your personal Kucoin homepage. Here you'll see various options and activities related to your account. What we want to do next is focus on adding funds to your account so you can begin your crypto purchasing journey. Look for the option labeled Add Funds. Click on that and you'll be directed to the deposit section. In the deposit section, you're going to click on Deposit Fiat. This is the gateway to funding your Kucoin account with traditional currency, which you can then use to purchase cryptocurrencies. It's important to note that supporting multiple fiat currencies gives you the flexibility to choose the currency you're most comfortable with. Once you've selected your preferred fiat currency, carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit process. Kucoin will guide you through each step to ensure you understand how to proceed. This might involve entering bank details or selecting an amount to transfer. Take a moment to double-check all the information before confirming the transaction to prevent any errors. And there you have it. These few simple steps will help you successfully add funds to your Kucoin account and position you to purchase your desired cryptocurrency. Remember, the key to success in crypto trading is staying informed and always ensuring your transactions are secure. Thank you for watching this guide on how to buy crypto via a Kucoin Fiat account on the web. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy trading!